So next we are going to learn about different kinds of synthetic fibers, how they are obtained, what are the sources, what are the main fundamental sources from where this synthetic, how it is obtained, like how it is treated, what are the properties of it, why we are going to select only this fiber as the best fiber. Okay, all these things we are going to learn about individual fibers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So if we'll go to the, like, why I'm like comparing the things with the gadgets is nowadays we are very much close to the technology. At this pandemic situation, how we are going,
especially in like corona, especially in corona.
That's what in this pandemic situation particularly, because all the time all the teachers used to say that not to use any gadgets. Even parents also used to. But now with this gadgets only, we are leading or we are inculcating so many things, we are learning so many things, but not that means that they are very important to us. They are very harmful to us. How much we need to use it, only that much we need to use. And rest of the time, we shouldn't touch all the gadgets. Why? Because they are made up of electromagnetic radiations, different kinds of chemicals. Okay. Understood. So only how much it is required, we need to use it. We need to limit the usage of the technology and all these gadgets. In that sense, I'm comparing the things with the gadgets and even mobiles, so that you will be more connectivity with the topic what we are discussing. Understood? Yes, very good. So for example, I'm having two different kinds of mobiles. I just went to the mobile showroom and I want to get a new mobile with good like features. Okay, first of all, what we'll select first, tell me? We'll ask, what are the benefits in that particular high cost mobile and what are the benefits for this, what we are going to select, or this one, or like not too expensive, like moderately expensive mobile. So he'll explain the features first. Okay, this consists of this and this is very fast. It is having much more memory when compared to this. And we'll ask, what are the drawbacks of this mobile, especially because it is of low cost when we compare to the higher one. What he'll say, no, both are having same features. Features are common, but only the mobile, camera, zooming option is there, high efficiency camera you can find. Okay, the things we can very much clear, the capturing ability is more only in that, because nowadays people are fond of taking selfies or remaining things. They're fond of selecting. Akshit, there is a disturbance in your voice only, dear. I think yours is a signal problem. When you're talking, I just observed that. Please check, because no other child has informed about the voice disturbance. I'm very much perfect. I have arranged like without getting. Yes, no disturbance. Just check your device, Akshit. Yes, I did not go till there, Ronak. Don't be excited. Wait here. Wait. I just want to do. Okay, so what will what will get? Okay, it's like imitation kind of mobile, and a pure Windows mobile or iPhone is present over there. So which is having high features and which is pure? iPhone is very good with quality because it's kind of a brand. So mostly it's like things are more effective when we compare this. But definitely we'll go for moderate, expansive mobile only. So some people can afford to go for the iPhones, but normally most of the percentage of the people will go for the normal kind of mobiles, like according to our budget. The same way, like natural fibers are very costly, like khadi cotton, very costly. Silk costs too much. Like if you want to go for the pure silk sari or any other thing, it costs more than 6,000, 4,000 like that, pure. Am I right? If you go for the textile industry. So definitely I want to get a sari which looks like a pure silk at a limited budget of mine. Yes or no? I'm talking in general. If you can afford for 6,000, 10,000, it's okay. I'm talking about a common man. Understood, children? So when we go for the synthetic fibers are like imitations of natural fibers, simply. Imitations of natural fibers with more qualities than the synthetic fibers. So definitely you'll go with synthetic fibers only. But the people will feel more comfort in
Mom, I
natural.
can't hear you properly.
What about the remaining children? What about the remaining children, dear? So that I can log out. If the problem is same for the remaining children, I can log out and log in. If it is only problem with Akshit, Akshit need to.
Your voice is clear, ma'am.
That's what why Akshit is saying like that. That's what, dear. I have, before entering to the class, I have checked all my net issues and everything, and I'm sitting. I don't want to create any disturbance to you all. Yes, it's his network issue.
I think it's his problem.
Why? Because when he spoke or when he asked me the doubt, I observed that glitching of this thing. Mic. His voice. Yes, Raj, my voice is breaking. Yes, Raj. Is my voice is breaking? Okay, let us go. If you want, once again I explained here. No need to worry about it. I'll explain. There is no hurry to go for the next slide. Akshat? Okay?
Mom, I rejoined.
Mom, like this doesn't feel like a chemistry class. Honestly.
It's not. I said the chemistry means only chemical equation. These I know about this, and I said before only. What do you mean by chemistry class means all the time you'll be having equations only? Chemistry means vast.
Yes.
We should know. We should know everything. Until and unless you know the concepts, how you can go with chemistry? The foundation of ABC is finished. That is completely chemistry. And this is also included in chemistry. It's a branch of chemistry. This is also very, very important. We should know. We should know all these things.
But I think we're also going more into biology also, like a little.
Integrated. Science is nothing but chemistry is from science. Biology is also from science. Physics also from science. All these, it's like integration. I said before only that there is no chemical equations or reactions in this chapter. I said or not? I said
Yes,
or not? Why? Because you'll be having all these kinds of doubts. Don't lose your interest, children. Please listen. It is very interesting. You are going to learn so much. And this is very, very important. What you are wearing, you should know.
Yes, ma'am. It's very interesting.
How they are obtaining. What are the natural resources? How they obtained. All this you should know, dear. Akshay?
Yes, mom, it's interesting. I like it.
Yes, we are learning extra. We should know chemistry is vast. We should know everything. We need to taste. Okay. How we'll eat our thali, a plate full of thali. The thali consists of different kinds of curries, different kinds of things. It doesn't mean it's a full meal or a half meal, whatever.
I have a question.
Yes, Arya.
Is like chemistry and technology, is it like interconnected? Chemistry
Yes,
and
definitely.
technology.
For example, take our body only. Take our body. How many kinds of chemical reactions?
Mama was talking about
is a
like
spinneret?
technology.
Yes. I'll explain one by one. Spinneret is like a shower head. We know how shower head, how the holes are present. That is called spinneret. So that viscous liquid, cellulose liquid will pass through it. Yes, Arya.
Ma'am, what is a shower head?
I'll explain. We are going as completely a sidetrack of the concept of the slide because people keep on asking me doubts. I need to clarify your doubts, and we are going beyond what we are going to explain. I'm going to explain. Okay, is anything this thing? Chemistry and biology is completely integrated in our body. Biological works, how heart is beating, everything. It's like a biology. Am I
Ma'am,
right? How the enzymes are secreted, how the digestion takes place, how the respiration takes place. All these are nothing but chemistry.
ma'am, I was talking about technology, not biology.
Technology,
Started.
yeah, definitely. Chemistry plays a major role in technology also. Batteries, how batteries are made up of. Okay, we are using laptops. We are not directly charging the laptop and using how the batteries are made up of. How the circuits are made up of. Circuits are made
Ma'am,
up
I
of.
guess chemistry.
Circuits are
Okay.
made up of metals. Metals are nothing but chemistry. Elements.
Yes, ma'am.
So always, nowhere we can't say that chemistry is not here, chemistry is not present here, not present there. Chemistry is everywhere. We need to identify, recognize. Even how we are breathing oxygen, the molecular formula, structures. Yes, electricity, Arjun. Yes. Chemistry is related to technology. A single drop of water, yes. Chemistry in it. Yes, chemistry is all over. Okay, leave about it. Synthetic fibers such as rayon, nylon, polyester, which are made by humans. All these are synthetic. Synthetic means synthetic itself artificial. Okay, the fibers which are made by human activities, they are known as synthetic fibers. So this is the first artificial fiber, rayon. This is the first artificial fiber, rayon. Understood? It has properties similarly to that of silk. So everybody, I said, na, every common man cannot go and afford for the silk, pure silk. So definitely they'll go for the imitation. They'll go for the imitation. Understood, children? So rayon is completely resembles like silk. That's why it is called as artificial silk. That's why it is called as. That's why it is called as.
Artificial silk.
Very good. That's why it is called as artificial silk. It is having more properties like, what are the properties of rayon, children? What are the properties of rayon? First let us go with the preparation. How rayon is prepared? How rayon is prepared? So rayon is obtained from wood pulp. Rayon, the main raw material for rayon is wood pulp. From that wood pulp, they'll extract the cellulose. They'll take the raw wood pulp. Not even extracting, that wood pulp itself consists of cellulose. Cellulose will be treated with different kinds of chemicals. Understood? Understood or not? Like sodium hydroxide alkalization, we called them as alkalization. That is different process. It will undergo with the different chemicals and it converts into viscose. Viscose is a thick liquid which resembles like honey. Have you seen honey? Have you seen honey? Is that the thickness of honey similar with water?
Ma'am, so is it as thick as a honey thing?
No, it's completely like comparatively, it looks like honey, like a golden color. Golden color. The cellulose fiber, after treating with chemicals, it converted into like a honey texture, honey-like texture with that thickness. That is known as that liquid, like that cellulose when it converted into like honey-like structure is known as